Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do what? Tell me. Direct speech, and we will discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. So direct speech को indirect speech करिया माने what shall we do? We will change inverted comma. Right? That means we will use that if whether to phi instead of inverted comma. We will change the tense form of the verb in reported speech as per the reporting verbs tense form. Next, we will change pronoun. What are the pronouns? I, we, you, it, he, she, they, etc. Okay? So here you have noticed that when तमे देखिଛ जे you have noticed you have is used the present tense perfect. Present perfect. खाइछ देखिछ you have noticed when तमे देखिछ that जे when a statement there are four types of sentences. Statement, if the sentence in inverted comma is statement, we use that instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in inverted comma is WH question, we use no, phi, 0. So if the sentence in inverted comma is yes no question, we use if whether instead of inverted comma. If the sentence in what if the sentence in inverted comma is imperative sentence, we use to instead of inverted comma. And if the sentence in the inverted comma is exclamatory sentence, we use that instead of inverted comma. So here, when a statement in a direct speech is changed into that class, noun class, in indirect speech, the conjunctions संयोजक पद. What are the conjunctions? That, if, whether, two are the conjunctions. Five is also conjunction. So conjunction is usually left out in conversation and in formal writing. Let's now, what did I say? Let's now see how the sentences in present progressive, present perfect, present progressive, right? Present perfect, and present perfect progressive. Right? Any direct speech are changed into indirect speech when reporting verb is, this is reporting verb is in the past tense. So this is the, he said, here reporting verb is said. Could understand? Reporting verb is said. Okay? Reporting verb is said. In which tense? In which tense? Past tense? So, I am going home. Here, mark the tense in inverted comma. This is reported speech. And the verb is am, it is present tense. Could understand? So he said, and the sentence in inverted comma is a statement, so that is used mark. Instead of inverted comma, that is used. He said, inverted comma removed in that place, that used. He said that I became he, and am became was. Could understand? So he said that he was going home. Could understand? Now let's move to the next one. I said, look at the book. I said, comma, inverted comma, I have done my homework. Said is past tense. So the tense form of the verb will be changed into past tense mark. I said, Inverted comma removed because it is a statement. So in place of inverted comma, that is used. So I said that I remained I because I said I have became had past tense. I had done my homework. Next, Rekha said, Margadi, this is in past tense. Said reporting verb is past tense. Rekha said, I have been working in the garden since morning. This is answer with full stop. Having a subject, it is a statement. We will use that instead of inverted comma. So Rekha said. Instead of inverted comma, we wrote did. Rekha said that I became she. Rekha said that she had been working. Have became had. Oh, in the garden since that this morning means that morning. Okay, now let's move to the next page. What is there? Let's see. Yes. Okay. Now mark how a verb in past simple tense in direct speech is changed into indirect speech. Setala reporting speech रे present tense थिला बोली आमे ता past tense कर दो उतले जो दी past tense दे दी तो if past tense is given what shall we do there? If the verb in reported speech is in present tense, generally we change as per reporting verb. But if the verb in reported speech is in past tense, what shall we do there? Ame kon kariya? Here we will learn it. Look at the book. Now mark how a verb. Look at the book, please. Now mark how a verb in the past simple tense in indirect speech is changed into indirect speech. Direct speech, indirect speech. Sentence. The piano said, this is the reporting verb said in past tense, right? I posted the letter and posted, ed verb. The word that ends with ed and ing are generally verbs. So ed always past tense. So posted is past tense. Here past tense, there past tense. Could you understand? In a reporting verb past tense, in a reported verb past tense. What shall we do now? The poem, the piano. Said. Instead of inverted comma, that. Could you understand? And I became he. And posted became had posted. This is had posted means what? Past perfect. Past perfect. Had posted the letter. Similarly, another sentence. She said, comma, inverted comma, I took it home with me. She said, this is the reporting verb in past tense. And the verb in the reported speech is took and it is also in past tense. So what shall we do now? We will use its perfect form. So she said, inverted instead of inverted comma, that is used that, she said that, she, I will become she, and took will become had taken. Had eaten, perfect. Had taken it home with the head. Okay, now let's move. Here the verb in the past simple tense has been changed into past perfect. Could you understand? In indirect speech, because the actions of the posting the letter as in one, taking it have as in two, took place before the time of saying or speaking. However, the past simple tense form of the verb remains unchanged in the following context. ସବୁବେଳେ ଏମିତି change ହେବନି. এই जो past tense टा से perfect past will not take place always. Could you understand? So let's see where it will not change. Yes, here it is. So just 1 minute. So, however, the past simple tense form of the verb remains unchanged in the following context prasanga. The context means prasanga. Prasanga. Right. Prasanga. Direct speech. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma, India became independent on 15th August. Historical fact actually. The tense, that the simple past will not be changed into past perfect. So, indirect speech. The teacher said. Inverted comma, instead of inverted comma, that used. The teacher said that. India became, no change. Independent on 15th August 1947. Again, direct speech. Father said, I decided to buy the house because it was on the main road. Indirect speech. Father said. Right? Inverted comma. Instead of inverted comma, you can use that or not. That is the, you can use that. Right? Here. He decided to buy the house because it was on the main road. Right? Next, statement 1 and statement, this is statement 1 and the statement 2 are, this is statement 1. Which is the sentence in inverted comma. So statement 2, this is statement 2. So statement 1 and statement 2 are relevant or true at the time of reporting. Next, direct speech. The monitor of the class, monitor jancha, said, comma, inverted comma, look at the book. The monitor of the class said, comma, inverted comma, when the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. So, indirect speech, the monitor of the class said, inverted instead of inverted comma, that is used, that when the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. Could understand? Next, move. Yes. Direct speech. She said, when I left home, it began to rain. Indirect speech. She said. Inverted comma in badalare that. So she said that when I became she. She said that when she left home, it began to rain. Next, here is all the cases. Two actions took place at the same time. Okay. So direct speech. What did I say? Direct speech. So if I were the Prime Minister of India, if class, he said I would raise her economic status to a higher level. That means he said if he were the Prime Minister of India, he would raise her economic status up a high level. So direct speech. He said when I saw them, they were playing tennis. He said. Inverted instead of inverted comma, that is used. He said that when he saw them, they were playing tennis. Verb in time class usually do not change. Note that perfect. 1 minute. Note that past perfect and past perfect progressive forms do not change in indirect speech, but the past progressive is usually, but not always, changed into past perfect progressive. Next one is example. Here is an example, that is a direct speech. He said, I had helped. This had helped means had eaten. So past perfect. So I had helped my friend a lot before. Indirect speech. He said that is used. he had helped his friend a lot before. I changed into he. Look at the book. So direct speech. He said, I had been doing this is I had been eating. Which tense? Past tense? Perfect progressive. So he said, I had been doing my homework in the morning. In that speech, he said that he had been doing his homework in the morning. What changed? Instead of inverted comma, we used that and I became he. That speech, he said, I was helping my brother in the hour of the need. In that speech, he said that he had been helping, became had been helping his brother in the hour of need. Okay. Now, let's move. Now, mark the use of abbrevial modal verb, demonstratives, and pronouns in indirect speech. Yes. So, these changes take place. Change of adverbial in the indirect speech from direct speech change into indirect speech. Now becomes then at the time. The indirect speech called a gudako sub change of now becomes then at that time. Okay. Next, today. Tell.
Today.
Not today. Yesterday. The day before. The previous day. The previous day. The day before yesterday. 2 days before. Tomorrow. The next day. The following day. This week. That week. The day after tomorrow. In 2 days time. Next week, year it is the following week year. Last week year, the week before the previous week. So ago, before, a year before or the previous year. Here, there. Thus in that way. Change of modals. Actual indirect. Billy changes to would. Shall changes to should would. So should is usually used with the first person I we, and second persons in other meanings. Would can also be used with the first person. So direct speech. I said I shall complain about you to the police. I said inverted comma बदले that लगिला. I shall became would. Complain about him to his police. You became him. This is pronoun. You is pronoun. Him is pronoun. Direct speech. He said, what shall I do? Indirect speech. He asked. Said became asked. Because it is an interrogative sentence. So he asked. WH word. No conjunction will be used. So he asked. Inverted comma removed. No conjunction he used. Could understand? He asked what he should do. Next, can changes to could, may changes to might, must becomes must, had to, must have to. So when must is used in the meaning of necessary, it remains unchanged in the direct speech or changes to had to. When it refers to a future, it changes to would, have to. Future must. Next, must have to. Okay, this is important one. Right. So example, direct speech. I thought there must be some mistake. In direct speech, I thought there must be some mistakes. Certainly. Direct speech, I must go soon. Said Sarita. Indirect speech, Sarita said that she would have to go soon. Future. Direct speech, must not changes into must not, was not, needn't changes to needn't, did not have to. So now that should, would, might, could, used to, and ought to do not generally change in the speech. Here changes to there it remains unchanged there. Change of pronoun, demonstrative determination in direct speech. Pronoun, this time expression changes to that. This week changes to that week. These time expression changes to those. These days changes to those days. This is that those used as pronouns can become it, they, I, them, But this and these used as demonstratives determines use change to the. So next he said, I bought this sari. These saris for my mother. He said inverted comma instead of inverted comma that is used. He said that I became he. Bought past tense had bought. The saris for his mother. So reporting verb here. So this one has reporting verbs for statement. You have noticed तमें देखिछ that the reporting verb in direct speech in most cases is say. सबुते says or said थाउची. So but in indirect speech we sometimes replace it by another verb appropriate for the meaning of the statement. Some of such reporting verbs in indirect are tell, state, announce. एजा कौन कौन आम से बदले एजा लिखि पारिया. Tell, state, announce. Instead of say, you can write tell, state, announce, declare, promise, order, complain, protest, allege, explain, think, realize, admit, advise, ask, agree, observe, remark, etc. Could understand? So moreover, when something is said in continuation of another statement, we generally use the reporting verb at, right? Continue and further said. And if something is said in reply to remark or a question, we use the verb reply, answer, respond, deny, refuse, etc. Note that yes or no are expressed in indirect speech by subject plus appropriate auxiliary verb. It is that is will in direct speech changes into would in indirect speech, or yes and for no it changes to would and wouldn't. It is. Could understand? With this, we shall conclude today's direct speech, indirect speech class. We shall discuss the rest in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.